Greetings everyone. This is krX Trading and I am Kratos. So, this video marks the beginning of a new series which is Sideways Market Mastery with krX Trading. And in this series, we will learn about how to identify the beginning of a sideways trend, how to trade in the sideways market, and how to identify the change of a range. It sometimes happens uh, that the market is moving in a range, let's say this range, uh, but then it may widen its range or it may tighten its range. So we will see how to mark the new zones, and the procedure of trading in them will be the same as we will talk in our upcoming videos. So also, these videos are unscripted, so you might find them a little bit of uh, slow narration at a slow narration. So I recommend you to watch these videos at either 1.5x or twice of the speed, normal speed. So that will surely not get you bored, and I also recommend you to make notes uh, of the methods or points which I'll be telling you in this series. Uh, this will be good for your revisions and will also clear your most of the doubts. And I hope you will like this series. Thank you.